Here we have an ASUS ROG Strix 4090 OC video card that came in for repair. We already disassembled the board. Liquid metal in the middle. That's the first thing that I saw. Liquid metal spill. I do not see any spillage on the sides here, but I do see some spillage on one side of the core. We always talk about liquid metal and the dangers of using liquid metal, and I still see this every single day. What did the customer write? Too many times I plugged in and unplugged my 4090. One of the pins broke off and missing. Need a new connector. Oh, so the customer mailed this over for a connector issue, not for liquid metal. We need to replace the connector, and we need to look into this area here where we see liquid metal shorting out components, right? We have liquid metal all over here. It looks like the components are coated. And we have liquid metal on the board here. Any liquid metal that went under the core, it's game over. There's no connector that's gonna solve the customer's issue. I mean, liquid metal right now is between the memory chip and core. What do we do? Liquid metal was over those caps. What happens when liquid metal is covering a cap? It's gonna short out that cap, and one tiny cap, one tiny shorted cap will just ruin the whole card. The card will fail. How is the card working with the customer? I don't know. We have to be gentle, because if you squeeze too much, you cannot grab it. I add alcohol, and then I try to fully grab it like this. Without alcohol, it's impossible. I discovered the alcohol method by mistake. I was trying to clean, and I noticed that when we apply alcohol, liquid metal bonds together. Okay, so we got rid of liquid metal, right? Let's go ahead and do the connector. We're gonna start by preheating the board. We have a customer. I don't like when I'm working on the 4090 and we have a customer that comes in, because I want to work on the board while it's still hot. Look at this. Now we can easily remove the connector. If I go speak to the customer and come back to the board is already cold. I have to heat all over again. The customer is still waiting. Okay, so the connector is out. Let me speak to the customer and I'll be back.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
How are you?
Arabic, right? You speak Arabic, right?
Yes.
Yes, Khalil.
Hello, Salah.
Bayi told me about you. He follows you on YouTube.
No. Okay.
عندي issue باللابتوب بالكيبورد.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's worth it.
Okay.
Some of the buttons.
The keyboard on his laptop is not working. It's a low-cost laptop. I told him he can get his own palm rest and we can install it for him for $175. How long will it take? Well, the thing is, when you install a palm rest, you have to take everything apart. Everything. We're gonna use the solder sucker. I cannot show it to you under the microscope because the solder sucker is too long, right? And we got all of them. Let's grab a new connector while the board is still hot. Make sure the pins are in, and they are. Now I'm holding the connector with my finger from bottom of the board. I want to secure that connector so I can let go. So let's secure that connector with a few blobs. They do not have to be perfect, but we'll make everything look better than factory when we are done. Right? I can let go. And I've got Flux white. If you are in the same type of business or you are doing this as a hobby, log into NorthridgeFix.com. Add to cart, checkout, pay, and we almost always ship out same day. Everything from this amazing Flux, microscope, soldering station, thermal camera, braid wick, UV mask. When was the last time you saw joints like this? Okay, and that's the anti-glare light. So you can see the joints better. In case you could not see them before, or you could not tell that those joints are better than factory, here's a different angle, a different perspective of light. Go ahead, write it down and tell me this is not better than factory. So I can send you one way to the 9th dimension. No coming back. What benefits are you giving the people on Earth if you cannot admit that this is better than factory? And let's flip the board. See what's going on in the front. And look at the front. Look at the front. Are you kidding me? Even the factory cannot do this. Look at how solder is flush with the pins. Stay humble, right? You're allowed to show off if you have something to offer. If you can walk the walk, you can talk the talk, right? I can quickly test the card before I give it to Big Boss to reassemble and fully test it. But for the time being, I just want to make sure that we have an image on the screen. And Big Boss can handle the rest. All right, so the card is right here. Power on. I'm gonna press on the heatsink or just leave it alone. And we're gonna monitor. We're gonna look at the monitor. And we have an image. Yes. Okay, let me turn it off. That concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video. And don't forget to write better than factory, so I do not have to send you on that plane to the 9th dimension.
Better than factory.